got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make our own whiskey and our own smoke too. Ain't too many things these old boys can't do.
Hello, and welcome back again to Montana John's Outdoor Adventures. Remember, Montana John's is all about gun safety first, then shooting guns. I take people shooting guns out here in Montana. That's what I do. And I figured while I'm out here in Montana doing some fun things, I make a YouTube channel and show you what Montana has to offer us out here. It's really cool out here. Well, today I'm going to show you a couple different trees. We're out picking morel mushrooms, so I'm going to show you different species of trees just for fun. This right here is a western larch. It's a conifer. A conifer tree is a cone-bearing tree. That's what conifer means. So it bears pine cones. And deciduous obviously is a leaf-bearing tree. So this is the only tree right here that loses its needles in the fall of the year. They turn bright yellow. And then they're vibrant green. Look how green these are. They're beautiful. I mean, this is a western larch. We're in a fire right here. If you want to, this is a fire like 7 or 8 years ago. There was a fire through here. So what we're doing is we're in a real nice thick stand of western larch. So these are going to grow to be big trees, nice trees. So I just figured if you want to get close, you could show them what the needles look like. These needles are so soft. I mean, they're so soft. You wouldn't believe how soft these needles are. I mean, it's amazing how soft they are. Okay, this is a mature western larch right here. And Levi could show you how tall it is. He's my cameraman today. He's a good guy, man. Levi's an awesome guy. How tall is that tree, Levi?
100 plus.
100 plus. So this tree is a mature western larch. This tree is, I don't know how many 100 years old. Well, I don't know if you can zoom in from right there.
Yeah.
Okay, see how flaky the bark is? It just flakes right off. That's how you know a western larch. It flakes very easily. So, here's a full-grown, mature western larch. And these are all baby ones all around us here. So we're walking along and I found a witch's nose. So, got me a witch nose.
Mm-hmm.
See that? Levi and I are out here looking for morel mushrooms, and we found a big patch of huckleberries. So we got all these huckleberries right here. This whole hillside is filled with huckleberries. So we're going to come back here in several months and get a whole bunch of huckleberries. I mean, you got a bunch of huckleberries. Right here. This whole hillside is loaded with huckleberry bushes. And over here too, and down the trail here. So,
I don't think so.
Yeah, they got the berry on them, just like the other ones.
It could be.
They could be a purple one.
Yeah.
Okay, we're walking out here in major grizzly bear country. Levi are out here. I haven't seen any grizzly bears yet, but I came across some yew brush. This is wild yew. I mean, it just grows wild. And we got some pretty cool flowers here. It'll be in the picture too. I'll have some flowers in there. We only had one tick on it so far. But this is yew brush, or yeah, yew right here. It's pretty cool. It grows usually flat. I don't usually see it growing this tall, but that's wild yew. Here's some of it right here, growing up. Usually it grows flat, a little flatter. For some reason, it's growing higher. Pretty cool.
If I can make a living from walking in the woods, you can bet I'd be sitting pretty good, high on a hill, looking at a field downwind. If I can make a nickel off of turning in bass, never worry about
Yep. I wore my waterproof boots today, so that's nice. You can walk right up the creek like that, and just for fun, messing around. That is ice cold water, let me tell you. We're up here in major grizzly bear country, and I want to tell you thank you for watching this video. Back up here in the Rocky Mountains, I mean, you can see all around us, this is major bear country all around us here. I mean, you want to talk about grizzly bears, this is grizzly bear country. But I just want to tell you thank you for watching these videos, and I mean, you guys are really making my channel successful by subscribing. You guys are the one doing it. I'm just producing the content out there for you to watch, and this is a fun, friendly channel. And I had a couple people put some negative remarks on my channel, so I just block and remove them, so they're gonna have to start a new account in order to make any comments from now on. I just want this to be a non-political, fun channel, fun time out here. That's all it is. This is just fun. So forget about life and just enjoy what's going on out here in Montana and check out Montana John's. So we're gonna take a little ride up this road here, but I wanna thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for making this so successful. Thank you to all the men and women who serve our country. And remember, as always, God bless America, everybody. Thank you so much for watching.